When viewing your students in a session, you can quickly see thumbnails to show the different websites they're on. Across the bottom, you can tell quickly how many websites they have open. But to dig deeper into that, left click on a student's thumbnail, and then on the right-hand side, you see an actual breakdown. The top shows them what your active tab is, then the other ones show you the other tabs that they have open. So at any time, you can come in and you can look at this and go, okay, they should not be on YouTube, and just click close. Now granted, the student can just open YouTube back up again and you can continue to close it, or you can use a scene to block YouTube altogether from your students during this class. The left-hand side shows you what the current tab is that they are looking at. It gives you kind of an overview. At any time, you can take a screenshot of that by clicking on screenshot icon in the bottom right-hand corner here. Your screenshots are then stored, let me close this really quick, right here in your tab across the top that says screenshots. You can see right now it tells me that I have 2 of these. The other thing I want to show you is this looks a little strange right here. I see Infinite Campus on the left-hand side, but the active tab tells me that the student is in Clever. The reason you are seeing that is the student actually has 2 browser windows open. So let me show you what a student view looks like. So this left-hand side is us as a teacher. Again, we're seeing they're in Infinite Campus, which matches over here because this student is on Infinite Campus, but it shows us the active tab is Clever. So if I move this down a little bit, you are going to see here is another browser window this student has open, and Clever is what they are actually looking at over here as well. You can see that once I changed and I clicked on the Clever, it moved the picture to the far left to now say Clever over here to show us the Clever. So sometimes you will see, if you see that discrepancy, that might be what it is. You'll see when I switch back to Infinite Campus, it did actually trigger the active tab back to IC, but I will see at times that it'll switch it back to their other browser window. Just so in case you are seeing that, you might want to dig a little deeper into actually which website the student is truly on.